Welcome to Spelling Bee Ninja. We're thrilled to have you join us as we explore fascinating stories from the world of science. Today, we'll delve into the incredible life of Igor Sikorsky, the aviation pioneer who is credited with creating the first successful practical helicopter. If you're eager for inspiring educational content, be sure to subscribe for more engaging lessons like this one. Igor Ivanovich Sikorsky was born in 1889 in Kiev, which was then part of the Russian Empire, now known as Ukraine. From a young age, he was captivated by the idea of flight, influenced by the works of Leonardo da Vinci and the early aviation pioneers. His father, a psychology professor, and his mother, a physician, nurtured his interests in science and engineering. By the age of 12, Sikorsky had designed his first successful helicopter model powered by rubber bands, showcasing his talent for aviation design. Later, he honed his skills in engineering in Paris and at the Kiev Polytechnic Institute. Sikorsky's journey into aviation was kick-started by his passion for vertical flight, a dream that would take him decades to realize. Initially, he focused on fixed-wing aircraft, producing designs that made significant impacts in aviation history, including the Sikorsky Ilya Muromets, one of the world's first multi-engine airplanes used during World War I. This aircraft had several pioneering features, such as an enclosed cabin and heating, setting records for payload and range. However, deep down, Sikorsky's heart was set on building a practical helicopter. The challenges he faced were monumental. Helicopters, as he found, presented more complex engineering problems compared to airplanes. Sikorsky dealt with issues such as generating lift, maintaining stability, and ensuring control during flight. A major hurdle in early helicopter design was the torque reaction, where the helicopter would spin in the opposite direction to the main rotor, making it unstable. Sikorsky's perseverance shone through as he turned to historical studies of earlier helicopter innovators and conducted extensive experiments with rotor configurations. He understood that a tail rotor was essential to combat the torque effect from the main rotor. This thought process led to the creation of the variable pitch rotor system, crucial for controlling lift and direction. In September 1939, Sikorsky's hard work and innovation culminated in the creation of the VS-300, recognized as the first practical helicopter in the United States. It featured a single main rotor and a supplementary tail rotor to mitigate torque. The path to success was not instantaneous. It required years of testing, refinement, and the willingness to pilot test flights himself. The VS-300 underwent numerous modifications to attain the stability it required, eventually setting the standard for modern helicopters. Another groundbreaking aspect of Sikorsky's design was the incorporation of the tail rotor, which countered torque and provided yaw control, allowing for greater maneuverability. Though inspired by previous designs, his precision and improvement made the tail rotor a standard feature in helicopters for generations. During World War II, Sikorsky contributed further to aviation with the development of the R-4, the first mass-produced helicopter. It served multiple roles within the U.S. Army Air Forces, the U.S. Navy, and the British Royal Air Force, proving invaluable for search and rescue, reconnaissance, and medical evacuations in various combat theaters. Though small compared to today's standards, the R-4's operational value played a crucial role in highlighting the helicopter's importance in military operations and paved the way for future models. In 1923, Sikorsky founded the Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation in the United States, which became a leading manufacturer of helicopters and aircraft dedicated to innovation and quality. Today, it operates as a subsidiary of Lockheed Martin and has produced legendary helicopters such as the S-51 and the CH-53C Stallion. Sikorsky's company also pioneered the design of amphibious aircraft and flying boats before making a concentrated effort to develop helicopters, especially in the 1940s. Beyond military applications, Sikorsky's innovations have made helicopters vital in civilian operations, facilitating medical evacuations, search and rescue missions, and transportation in areas inaccessible to other vehicles. Helicopters can hover and land vertically, capabilities that dramatically enhance the speed and efficiency of emergency services. Sikorsky emphasized safety, reliability, and simplicity in his designs, which remain fundamental principles in helicopter engineering today. His later models, like the S-64 Skycrane and the CH-53C Stallion, are still operational within military applications. Sikorsky's legacy is immense. He is often regarded as the father of the modern helicopter. His life was a testament to relentless pursuit of innovation. Throughout his life, he garnered numerous honors and accolades for his incredible contributions to aviation, including the National Medal of Science. Even in his later years, he was active in designing new helicopter models, a true symbol of dedication in engineering. Sikorsky once described the helicopter in a deeply impactful way. He saw it not merely as a machine, but as a tool to connect people, lend aid, and bridge distances, fulfilling a vision of a more connected world. His story of perseverance and ingenuity continues to inspire future engineers and dreamers, proving that innovation can indeed transform our reality. Today, we explored the extraordinary life of Igor Sikorsky and his groundbreaking contributions to aviation. From his early fascination with flight in Ukraine to his pivotal role in creating the modern helicopter, Sikorsky's journey was defined by passion, persistence, and significant innovation. His designs not only established the foundation for rotary wing aviation but also created tools that save lives and enhance connections in ways he envisioned. Sikorsky's legacy continues to influence the aerospace industry today. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the life of Igor Sikorsky. We hope today's episode enriched your understanding of aviation history and inspired you to dream big. Be sure to subscribe to Spelling Bee Ninja for more engaging educational content from various fields. See you next time as we dive into more fascinating stories from the world of science.